So we've disassembled the gas line and everything. We had problems with all we did was turn the water heater off and create an airlock by turning it off and relieving the pressure. We didn't drain it. And we did have problems with this. We couldn't get that nut off of the old control valve. This is 1/4 inch tubing, so as long as you use a 1/4 inch metal ferrule, you can put it back on and get it to seal up. The 1/4 inch metal ferrule that we're going to be using looks like this. You can, I took this out of a 1/4 inch ice maker line. So that's what we're going to use to put it back together. Actually, we're just turning it back on now. They looped them together, so I'm sorry, we had to turn yours off as well. But you should have pressure back now.
Yeah, I'll say so.
Are you in two? You're in two? Yeah. Yours is back on now. You are good to go. Yeah, all right. I wish I had another burner out there, but I hate these starters. I think I've got the right nut to go up inside the control valve. Oh, I broke pipe right now. Yeah, I already got it. And then once we get these on there, we should be able to spin it to where we need it.
Oh yeah, I might mess it up a little bit, maybe a little. Yeah, alright now.
Lifting that 1/2 inch much. You might go get a little something on it, but
Oh yeah?
yeah, real, not that much.
Oh, okay, it's just, yeah.
Oh yeah, good, we can make it.
Alright.
Yes, ma'am.
You got it maybe
I
off.
turned that other one on. Should have done. Oh, maybe you shut some off with air on?
Ease me there for a minute. It's almost like there's two hots running with that.
I know, y'all can't fix that.
Yeah, it's not but switching the hose. Look at
Because
this.
I had switched this, because it's two hots coming out here, I switched it to this, to this fountain down there, whatever it is.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I just like take one of the hoses off that and put one over there like that.
I thought I flipped that once already. Man, I don't need to do it all. I thought I ended up flipping that one time I was here. But maybe I thought about it. this back in. Let me make sure this is not even going to go up inside that control valve there. Yep, sweet. That's our puppy.
Oh, just the cold right here, the tower.
Yeah, they got it weird, man. Cutting out. Almost got wet. Ooh, I still got pressure on it. Got them all whipped together and weird. So we took this one.
That's basically what it is.
Yeah, that's why it's plumbed, so I mean, it's gonna have to be kind of switched around for you to, unless we're going in here and tell, I think
Right now, they got 2 colds. Over there on theirs, they would have 2 colds then.
Yeah, that's what's going on. They got 2 cold ones, she got 2 hots, so you get a cold one.
You gotta shut it off like this.
You know what's funny is the way that's set
Don't
up.
make it too tight, so remember Sunday, you gotta take that off.
The way they got that set up, John, is if one of these heaters are out,
Yeah,
it would take a second, but it would loop and pull from the other one.
yeah, exactly.
Same as upstairs.
That's one of us, well, I do, I guess.
It would take forever for it to bleed through there, but it would eventually end up working. Yeah, I mean.
Yeah.
If I'm looking at the way it's ran, right? That did. Put the old piezo on here because they've got it set up for the other style. Which I don't think these will go together. Oh yeah, they sure will. Okay. Bend it.
go back on here now.
Yeah, that's just an extra spout there.
This my thing, it's too hot.
Oh, okay.
So I hooked it to this,
You want this back?
so I can get some cold water.
Okay.
Yeah, this goes to my washer.
Well, that's what I mean, it's like, since the lines are lubed, well, you guys want to share hoses.
Well, I just put it back the way it was.
So you want 2 house back on yours?
No, I just leave it on here if we have it connected back.
This is all.
When I move, I'm gonna take my stuff here.
I'll hook theirs up to that valve on this side, look. Yeah, to that one.
Out here.
Yeah, give them that hot,
Okay. Yeah.
and then you can pull that piece and let her get it back.
Cold water on the way. You know, this is the hot right here, and that's, I had
So
this
as long
connected.
as this hot's off on here, then you can still get cold?
Yeah, I'm getting cold.
Okay, I got you.
Try to get all the air out of this gas line here.
I thought I seen one of these hoses lying around here somewhere. What's broke, man? Is that hose broke?
Oh, yeah, I think the other side is. Yeah. What, it won't reach?
That's just all rusted, seized up, kind of bent.
Oh.
Feels like once the frost bit.
Oh, yeah. It's got a bunch of corrosion in it, man.
Yeah, I guess what I was thinking is that faucet was shutting off and went one side. That's why I didn't put it hot, but it's just about. This way. It should be on cold, so it should be. There.
lit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. 6, 7, 8, 9, 40, 2, 3, 4, 5. Should be lit by now. 6, 7, 8, 9, 50.
Yeah, I kinda see on that burners that, thermocouple. Loose there, sometimes they can pull far away from the pilot.
Oh, yeah. I guess it could have done that too. Like that. It should have stayed lit by now.
Yeah.
Unless, like you said, the thermocouple's out of whack. Can you see it? Yeah. Looks like it's pretty close to being like it should. Head down there. Yeah, definitely staying lit. I know that thermocouple's good. I just put it on there.
Yeah, I mean, it's gotta be.
2 weeks ago.
Oh, I did may fall back a little bit.
Oh yeah, look at that now that I pulled it out. It went way back.
Yep. Them little dumbass pieces of metal in there keeps them in the spot so they don't pull out.
Right.
Maybe that was it.
I hope so. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Yep, that was it. I'll be damned. You got about that.
Dude, it's hot, dude. This water's hot as hell.
So that's what's out. They've done fired it up once, got it to work, and then
So
went
this
back out.
thing's over freaking heating, right? It's putting out super hot. They're tied together,
Right.
so it's gonna have hot water in it all the time.
Well, I don't think it loops into it, but it does pull from it.
Okay. Right, so then like the hot water's going in the cold side, but yeah, the water was hot.
Oh yeah, that's hot. Youch, damn, that's
Yeah,
hot.
super.
Yep. Pressure release. Ugh. So, okay. So that's why it won't fire up, so that's good. Okay.
Should be good to go.
The only other thing I think we need to do is
Put a
soak
soap
that
on
one.
the line there.
And that's it. Swap the control valve out. Now the piezo igniter on this one was different because it's a newer model, and it left this bare piece open, so I just wrapped some Teflon around it. I should have used electrical tape, but that way it don't jump from here to there, because then it'll ground out and start sparking here, which ain't gonna hurt nothing, but then the igniter on the inside won't work. So that's why I did that. But other than that, that's it. So let's swap in the control valve out on the water heater.